your spelling list words for this week. From lesson 25, we are doing cities, cabin, service. So just like you can make a little dash or something to notate cities, cabin, service, descend, and modern. Those are the 5 words we're going to be doing from lesson 25. So just kind of make a little dash. If you have a highlighter, that's even better. Cities, cabin, service, descend, modern. From lesson 26, we're going to be doing angle, village. I'll give you a second. Angle and village are the first 2. Dodge and hanger, and listen. That is lesson 26. Lesson 27 is invisible, aglow, and preschool. Unspoken, and earth. So the 5 from 27 are invisible, aglow, preschool, unspoken, and earth. The next 5 from the next lesson are biggest, happier, hopped. So that's got 2 P's. Tinier, and underneath. Biggest, happier, hopped, tinier, and underneath. And then the last 5 from lesson 29 are friendly, beautiful, graceful, happiness, and soldiers. One more time, that's friendly, beautiful, graceful, happiness, and soldiers. Now, if you didn't get all those, that's okay. It's on your parent letter. The other thing is, since we're not turning in spelling sentences, it's not extremely important that you have each one of these. So, this is lesson 30, page number 1. So you're gonna have, if you have some crayons at the house, I'm gonna give you a second to go get them. If you have crayons or markers or colored pencils, go grab them. If you don't, that's okay. The first thing it's asking us to do is, you remember lesson 25 and lesson 26, we were talking about hard and soft consonant sounds. Can somebody remind me what the difference between a hard G and a soft G is? Does anybody remember? Words with a hard G as opposed to words with a soft G. Zuri, did you have your hands up?
Yeah.
What is it?
Well, a soft G would be J, like a J.
Mm-hmm. And what's
a hard?
Yeah.
And a hard G is G, which is technically making its normal sound.
Yeah. So a hard G is G, like guess, and a soft G is like dodge. Same thing with hard C and soft C. What's a soft C sound and a hard C sound? Does anybody know? Malachi?
A hard C would be K, like a K, and a
Mhm.
soft C would be like an S.
Perfect. Very good. So it says read lesson 25 words. So we're only going to be doing this for lesson 25. We're not going to be doing for the rest of the page. Circle words with both hard and soft C's in blue. What's a word in lesson 25 that has hard C's and soft C's? I know Malachi knows. Does anybody else know? Ben?
Icicle.
Icicle. Don't, Ben. Don't give the whole thing away. Icicle is one, right? So the first C sounds like an S. The second C sounds like a K. Icicle. So that would be circled in blue. Taj, you got another one?
Cycle.
Cycle would be one. Very good. The first C sounds like an S. That's a soft C. Second one sounds like a K. That's a hard C. Malachi, you got another one?
Circle.
Boom. Nice work. So there's a couple of those. Then you're going to circle the remaining words with hard C's in green or soft C's in red. If you don't have markers or if you don't have colored pencils or something, then circle the soft C's and put a square around the hard C's. Does that make sense? Try and find some way to make it look different, even though you don't have colors. This is page 2, spelling packet lesson 30, and we have ourselves a crossword puzzle. I like crossword puzzles. I like puzzles in general, but I like crossword puzzles the best. So, obviously, all of the answers are going to be our spelling words. Whenever doing a crossword puzzle, you want to read the question, but then you want to look at the words. So, number 1 down says a small community. A small community. And we see that it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes. So we got to think of a word that has 7 letters in it. Does anybody know the answer to number 1 down? Himiko?
It is preschool.
Nope. Good guess, though. Blake Meister.
Village.
Very good, Blake. It is village, right? A small community of people. That is a village. So now that we know it's village, we have got some other letters that are going to help us figure out other words. Let's go to 7 across. It says automobile fuel. What do you think 7 across is? Malachi?
Gasoline.
Gasoline. Now, gasoline has an I that fits with village. So we know that that is the correct word. So number 1 down is village. Number 7 across is gasoline. Number 2 down, it says mental strength. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters again. So we know it's not going to be a short word. What is number 2 down? Missouri? Mental strength.
Courage.
Courage. That is right. Courage. So number 2 down is courage. Number 8. Did you have a question, Himiko?
Yes.
What's up?
I don't see 7.
7 across. It's right next to village. It's right next to. It's at the upper left-hand corner.
I don't see it.
You got to look hard because it's there. It's up in the upper left-hand corner.
7. You have the wrong word there.
So village is number 1 down, and gasoline is number 7 across in the upper left-hand corner. All right. And then number 2 down, courage, is on the opposite side. And that's going down. Number 8 across, it says a sharp course. This one's a little tougher. A sharp course. 8 across. What do you think it is, Zuri?
Edge.
That's a good guess. That's what I would have thought it is. Huh?
I meant to say angle.
It is angle. Angle is number 8 across. All right, we're going to do 2 more together, and then I'm going to let you guys finish the rest of it by yourself. Number 3 down. It is a word for large that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters in it. A word for large. Taj, what is it? Do you know what, Taj?
Giant.
Giant. That is the correct answer. Number 5 down is giant. Let's finish off that little section. Number 10 across. So we know it has an E from courage and it ends in T. Number 10 across is a visitor. What do you think the answer to 10 across is? A visitor. It ends in a T. Blake Meister? Sorry, Blake, I can't hear you. I think you're saying the right answer, but I don't know what it is if you actually are. Emiko?
Yes.
The answer is guest. Nice work. All right, so I'm going to give you a second to finish the crossword puzzle and work on page 2.